I bought this old wooden ironing board from a second-hand shop in Noto, in Sicily where I live. So I decided today to put it to some good use. When I'm going to do something freehand, I first like to sketch it out on a piece of paper. And for this step, you can easily print out a pattern and transfer it with transfer paper. But this was such an easy draw that I decided to just hand draw it and paint it in with acrylics. Again, this is a very easy process. You don't have to be an artist to do it, just fill in with the yellow and then highlight with darker shades. As you can see, I like painting outdoors when the weather isn't too hot because I love to stay listening to the birds. For the next step, I'm using this bee stencil. I was inspired by all the bees buzzing in the garden. Stencils are so amazing. You get such an instant result and it's so easy to use. I started painting the rest of the ironing board with this chalk paint, which is like a burnt orange, and I painted the board underneath in dark brown. However, I was seeing that it wasn't looking too good in orange, so I decided to paint it in yellow. As you can see in this next step, when I am stenciling some flowers, I did smudge in some areas, but that's never a problem. I just painted over with the brown again, waited for it to dry, and re-stencil. It looks so nice out on the terrace, and at the moment I'm just using it for plants. However, the idea is to use it as a serving table when entertaining.